Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. As you can see, it's just a Word Brother here. But today, I got something special for you. I'm gonna knock out a collab with my homeboy TNT and Ricky from Meat Stall. All right, we're gonna do Nashville Hot Chicken. Catch you in a second.
Bourbon and Blues, Word Brother, Barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? We're back, and as you know, today we're doing Nashville Hot Chicken. Now, I can tell you a little something about Nashville Hot Chicken. Why? Because we're from Nashville, so of course we know about Nashville Hot Chicken. I can tell you about Princess, the original Princess. I can tell you about my homegirl Aki, 400 Degrees, the Tourist Traps, Hattie B's, and others. Alright, so we can tell you all about that. What was the pepper fried? We got Maltese. But today, we're going to do it Word Brother style, okay?
Party foul.
Party foul, yeah, that's another one. Alright. So today, we're going to do it Word Brother style, alright? So on this collab, I'm going to show y'all how to do some hot chicken, okay? Everybody has their own style. Some people brine. Some people, marinate. I'm going to show you what to do, alright? So, first thing I'm going to do is keep it traditional, because Nashville Hot Chicken is usually either leg quarters or breast quarters. It's not the little patties, it's none of that, all right? So I'm keeping it traditional today. I like leg quarters, so I went out, got me some nice sized leg quarters, okay? As you can see, got my leg quarter, just like it. I didn't have to clean it up too much, because you want all of that on there, all right? So what I'm going to do is start on the back first, and I'm going to give it a little seasoning, okay? Just a little bit, little light coat of nature seasoning, okay? And that's just basically like a season-all. Pat that in, flip it over. I'm gonna hit it with the other side, hit the other side lightly. And then you'll see why I'm doing it like this a little later, okay? So just a little light coat there, all right? So got my leg quarter ready. I'm just gonna slide it over, and I'm gonna do the rest of these. I'm gonna knock the rest of these out, and I'll get back to you in a few minutes, all right? Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, here we are, doing our Nashville Hot Chicken episode, all right? Down here in my Oklahoma Joe Bronco, I got this thing locked in. I'm about to get this chicken on, all right? So I'm just gonna lay it on here. And traditionally, Nashville Hot Chicken is fried, okay? It's fried with a bunch of, with several different spices and seasonings and things like that. But this is the Word Brother way today for the show, all right? So I'm gonna show you a different way to do some good old Nashville hot chicken, all right? So I got my traditional leg quarters on here, on my Bronco, as you can see. And I'm gonna close that down and let these things get some smoke, all right? And I'll see you back in a few minutes. Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Word Brothers Barbecue. Eat this meat. Catch you in a second. Hey, what's going on, y'all? We're back. We're about to do our bourbon. Today we gonna do some Tennessee whiskey. We're gonna get into some Dickel. But either way, when this came out, guess who else came out? I ain't gonna say no names, but just follow my head.
That's right. And I seen it in the like the Batman signal, and I got here as fast as I could, man.
Yeah. Can't get him here for nothing else, but he gonna show up on time for that whiskey.
That's the best part of the show.
And then I got my brother here, RJ Norfleet, my brother from another
everybody?
mother. All right. So since you finally showed up late as usual, tell us about this Dickel here.
All right, so we got this George Dickel Tennessee whiskey, premium Tennessee whiskey,
Premium.
out of Tullahoma.
Out of the grit,
Tullahoma. All right, this George Dickel Barrel Select is running at about 43% alcohol volume, which gets us at about 86 proof. All right.
Yeah.
So it's gonna have gonna have a nice little kick to it, you know, when you're drinking it neat.
But it won't have that burn.
Nah, it ain't gonna be too much of a burn. It's gonna be neat. All right.
Okay.
It's gonna be neat and nice.
All right.
All right. All right. You see, it's got that amber bronze color.
Yep.
To the nose, you're gonna get hints of vanilla, candied nuts.
Yep.
I don't wait for a joke. I don't wait for a joke to come. I wait. Candied nuts, nutmeg, little nutmeg, vanilla, and leather. You know, I don't know what leather tastes like because I never chewed on it. You know,
I don't know, man. They said back in the day somebody made you read them Nikes. But
nah, I don't know nothing about that. All right. So, you know, and it's gonna be the same. Those flavors that you get to the nose. Since we hadn't actually tried this yet, we trying it now.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is to the taste, but we gonna do that on the fly as we taste it and let explain what type of flavors that you caught on the Dickel. All right.
All right, I got you. Well, come on, man.
Come on
Yeah,
with
hey,
it, man. You know
you
that.
struggling, buddy. You struggling. That
Man,
means
y'all supposed to have this thing open already.
No,
Where's the man on the set?
this his check. Why we need to open your check? Don't do you? All right, well,
Man, here we go.
who
There we
opens
go.
people's checks? You know
There
the
we
rules.
go. There we go. All right, we're gonna let that thing breathe
Let
for
it
a
breathe
second.
out
Yeah.
for a second.
Let it breathe just a little bit. Man, you know, who is that? Is that Chris Staples?
Yeah,
Saying ain't nothing like old Tennessee,
Tennessee
whiskey.
whiskey. Go on and hit some of them notes.
Nah, they ain't ready for
He
it.
thought about it.
I'll go hit a little bit. All right, so here we go. We pouring you up a little pass it on down.
Pass it on down.
There's me. And y'all remember last week how he did me.
Oh, that's because I.
Wow.
That's because I buy the check.
You remember last week when he did me like that. All right. You know, to the smell, I definitely can get that hint of definitely nutmeg. You know, I
Yeah,
can
you
definitely
smell
tell
it.
that. I can definitely tell that nutmeg.
What about the candied nuts? Can you-
I don't know. You,
ain't
you
never
know,
had
you eat them. I don't. I don't know about
No, sir.
candied nuts. But you can get the nutmeg and hints of vanilla.
Yeah,
Uh,
get
Definitely
that off the
smell
top.
The vanilla. You can
Yeah.
smell it.
So as we get ready to
So
take
we gonna
put it on the
toast
patty.
We toast them?
Yeah, we can toast on it.
To the Mac.
There it is.
And Pearl Cone High School,
And
greatest
yeah.
high school ever.
Antioch all day.
Hey, it's easy. It's easy on the palate. I can tell you that.
Yeah, it didn't make me
I like it.
Yeah,
hit the side.
Yeah.
it's super easy.
I like this.
Yeah.
I think I got a little caramel in there too.
Just a little caramel, you know, that hit at the end.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Did
Wow.
you get something? You get something that he didn't say? I got the caramel.
Kinda
You got the vanilla.
Well,
I
I don't know.
got
I
like a
really
little
can't
pear
tell you
taste,
how
too.
leather tastes, but maybe you can.
I ain't never chewed on no leather, brother.
All right. Well,
Yeah,
either way,
this is definitely a good one to get.
yeah,
Definitely, make sure you go to your package store, pick up some of that good Tennessee whiskey.
yeah.
All right, George Dickel, Barrel Select. All right, man, this is definitely a good one. I'm getting ready to go over here and pair it with one of my favorite cigars, Oscar by Leaf. Pretty sure Khalid got a Black and Mild. And
All the time.
Ronald got a Swisher Sweet that he gonna stuff in.
Nah, I think I'm gonna do a La Gloria today.
You gonna do a little
Well,
glory.
he said he ain't got an Oscar by the leaf. He got an old backwood over there.
Not the backwoods.
All right. Thanks for tuning in to the best episode, the best part of the episode, the bourbon and whiskey review, and we'll get back with you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.
And subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
We'll see you in a second down at the smoker where we're gonna knock out the rest of this Nashville Hot Chicken for y'all from right here in Nashville, Tennessee.
Yeah.
Catch you in a minute.
All right.
All right, so we're back. We're down here at the smoker. Today we do at the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. Today we, like I said, doing this Nashville Hot Chicken. So I'm gonna do it a word brother way, all right? So I got my chef's temp thermometer here. Now, if you out there, everybody needs to get you a chef's temp thermometer, all right? Instant read, okay? So, woo, got that smoke, got that Kingsford charcoal popping. Got my hickory smoke in there, getting that hickory flavor like we love it down here in Tennessee. All right, so I'm just gonna pop that in there. And yes, it's time for it to come off. All right, it's got that good smoke. Got that good smoke in there on these. All right, so I'm gonna get these leg quarters on up off of here. I see your little fire down there. You're trying to jump on me, huh? All right. So, like I said, getting these off of here, and then we're gonna start the next step, all right? I'll catch you back at the table in a second so we can start the next step of this Nashville Hot Chicken Word Brother barbecue style, all right? Catch you in a second. All right, so we're back here doing our Nashville Hot Chicken today. As you can see, we smoked it first with hickory wood. As you can see the color with a little bit of seasoning.
Okay.
All right, so now I'm about to take them and dust them off in this flour here. And then we're gonna turn it into some for real deal. What they call, this is seasoned flour, by the way. For real deal. Nashville Hot Chicken style. Because Nashville Hot Chicken, like I told them from the beginning, bro, you wasn't here, but
Okay.
Nashville Hot Chicken is fried, okay?
Yeah, it's definitely.
So-
Normally fried.
Yeah. So I'm gonna dust these off. As you can see, I'm giving it a nice little coating of this seasoned flour. Nice little coating. And then I'm gonna show you something else I'm gonna do to it, a little special to it, okay?
Put an extra trick on it.
Yeah, put a little cheat code on it. You know how we do. All right, so I'm gonna do this last one, and then I ain't gonna bore you with this no more. All right. Like I say, smoke it, and I'm gonna have all the steps inside the description of the video.
No problem. And today's sponsor.
It's a sponsor today.
Yeah, today's sponsor is definitely from us, the Word Brothers.
Yeah.
All right, this is the Word Brothers. We sponsoring it today. Eat this meat because it's finger licking, and then stay tuned to see how this. Eat this meat because it's finger licking. Tune in for some more for this hot chicken. Ooh.
I thought he was gonna have something good for
I
me.
had something real good worked out at first, but I can't remember it now. You know, I'm getting older, man. It just didn't come out right.
It ain't that he getting older. It's that Dickel.
This the same one, the same cup I've had.
It's the same cup. It ain't the same pour though. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it is. I hadn't changed since we took the what was that? The review.
You can't even remember if it was a review or not.
This time, man.
Alright, well, I ain't gonna bore you with this. I'll catch you back down at the smoker. Alright. Alright, so I'm back down here at the Oklahoma Joe Bronco, as you can see, doing our Nashville Hot Chicken Word Brother style. Now we done smoked this thing. We smoked our leg quarters, got them up to, to the temperature we wanted, which will be down below in the description. All right, we hit it with the seasoned flour. I done brought my lard. I put lard in this, not no vegetable oil, not peanut oil. You can do that if you want, and that's fine. But I used some for real deal lard. I put it in my Oklahoma Joe Bronco, and now I'm about to drop these things in here. Ooh, that's one. That's two. And I'm gonna let that thing do its thing. I'm gonna close this down, and then I'll be back to you shortly. All right. Catch you in a second. Word Brothers Barbecue. All right, so we're back. All right. As you can see, it's a mess around here, but we ain't worried about that. We worried about this Nashville Hot Chicken. All right. So, as you can see, inside the boat,
we start off with the classic piece of white bread.
Yeah.
Because what you do is once the chicken gets dipped into the hot sauce, you lay it back on top of the bread and let that bread soak up. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, and as you can see, that chicken is good and crispy right there. And I'm just gonna and I'm gonna have this in like I said in the description for you. Ooh. All right. So I'm gonna pull that out of there. Ooh, don't lose it.
Ooh, there it is.
Get you some pickles on that thing.
It's a couple of pickles like we do. I like a lot of pickles. A couple of pickles. Where's my toothpicks? Didn't know we hit that thing with the toothpicks so to sit in there. But look at that.
Look at that.
That smoke.
Hold on. And as they say with them greens and stuff, you gotta have that pot liquor. So watch this here.
That's enough.
That's enough of it.
And then this is how we would serve it.
And then
Put
hold on. I'm gonna put the special shake on it. But guess what though? I ain't gonna let you see this. I'll let you see this if we get about 150 comments. You know what I'm saying? I'll put that special shake on there.
That's enough.
There it is.
There it is.
Nashville Hot Chicken.
Smoked,
Fried.
hot chicken.
The word brother way. Alright? I'm about to knock that down. I don't know about you. But we gonna see what it is and what it ain't. But I know what it is. Look at that. Yes, sir.
Alrighty.
Alright. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel. And go check out, this is a collab with my homeboy, like I told you, my homeboys TNT, Meat Stall, and others. I have all of that down below. But go check their channels out. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you subscribe to their channels. Get their products. Our products are going to come out soon. Just be ready for it, all right? BbqBourbon&Blues with the Word Brothers. Peace.